Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch, the perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation for both women and men. Whether you're looking to dial and answer calls directly from your wrist, track your fitness, or enjoy all the smart features you need in one sleek device, the ZOSKVEE has got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into its top features, design, and everything you need to know about this amazing smartwatch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and tech updates. Let's get started. Smartwatch for men and women. Answer, make calls, heart rate, SpO2, sleep and stress monitor. This sleek 1.85-inch silver smartwatch is a complete wellness and connectivity hub. With call capabilities, you can answer or make calls on the go, keeping you connected at all times. Health tracking is extensive, covering heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress levels, helping you stay informed and balanced daily. With IP68 waterproofing, it's safe for any activity, and the 100+ sports modes ensure it's perfect for any fitness goal. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, it's the ultimate all-in-one smart fitness companion. Smartwatch for women, 1.85-inch women's watch with blood pressure monitor. This stylish 1.85-inch smartwatch is designed with women's health in mind, featuring a blood pressure monitor, heart rate tracker, sleep analysis, and female cycle tracking. Stay connected with calls and message notifications right on your wrist, no phone needed. Its sleek design complements any outfit, and the easy-to-read display is perfect for daily wear. A smart, versatile, and health-conscious accessory for modern women. Stay connected and active with this smartwatch for men and women, featuring a stunning 1.81-inch large screen for easy viewing. With Bluetooth calling, text notifications, and a waterproof design, it's perfect for both work and workouts. This smartwatch is compatible with Android and iOS, making it super versatile. Track your fitness goals with its built-in activity tracker and pedometer, all in one stylish accessory. The ideal blend of functionality and fashion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Experience ultimate convenience and style with the smartwatch for men and women, featuring a stunning 1.81-inch large screen for easy readability. Seamlessly make or answer calls and text right from your wrist with Bluetooth connectivity, perfect for Android and iOS users. This waterproof smartwatch is designed for active lifestyles, with fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a pedometer to keep you on top of your goals. Durable, versatile, and packed with essential functions, this watch is a must-have companion for daily life. Stay connected and active with the 1.85-inch HD smartwatch for women, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Make and answer calls directly from your wrist, powered by seamless Bluetooth connectivity. With 2024's advanced fitness tracking, monitor your steps, calories, and various sport modes effortlessly. Alexa integration allows for hands-free assistance, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Compatible with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch is a must-have for tech-savvy women looking to boost their daily productivity and health.